I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich. What's up, you guys? It's the BA. Welcome to the channel where we cover all things related to careers and academics. I'm going to be going over the top 10 highest paying careers in South Africa. The caveat to this list is that I'm going to limit the number of careers by only looking at the careers that I have already made salary videos on. I've made a little over 40 salary videos on this channel, and so I'll be looking at the careers from those videos to determine the careers that'll make this list. I'll also be looking at the highest earning potential of each career, that is, salaries from experience levels of 20 years or higher within each career. With that said, let's get into it. At number 10, we have civil engineer. A civil engineer is a person who practices civil engineering, the application of planning, designing, constructing, maintaining, and operating infrastructure while protecting the public and environmental health, as well as improving existing infrastructure that may have been neglected. An experienced civil engineer with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 651.9 thousand rands per year, which is about 54.3 thousand rands per month. A late career civil engineer with experience of 20 years or more makes about 882,000 rands per year, which is around 73.5 thousand rands per month. At number 9, we have mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineering is an engineering branch that combines engineering physics and mathematics principles with materials science to design, analyze, manufacture, and maintain mechanical systems. An experienced mechanical engineer with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 694.8 thousand rands per year, which is around 57.9 thousand rands per month. A late career mechanical engineer with more than 20 years of experience makes about 901.5 thousand rands per year, which is around 75.1 thousand rands per month. At number 8, we have industrial engineer. Industrial engineering is an engineering profession that is concerned with the optimization of complex processes, systems, or organizations by developing, improving, and implementing integrated systems of people, money, knowledge, information, and equipment. Industrial engineering is central to manufacturing operations. An experienced industrial engineer with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 520.5 thousand rands per year, which is around 43.4 thousand rands per month. A late career industrial engineer with more than 20 years of experience makes about 944.3 thousand rands per year, which is around 78.7 thousand rands per month. At number 7, we have electrical engineer. Electrical engineering is an engineering discipline concerned with the study, design, and application of equipment, devices, and systems which use electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. An experienced electrical engineer with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 601.2 thousand rands per year, which is around 50.1 thousand rands per month. A late career electrical engineer with more than 20 years of experience makes around 287.4 thousand rands per year, which is around 82.3 thousand rands per month. At number 6, we have chemical engineer. In the field of engineering, a chemical engineer is a professional equipped with the knowledge of chemical engineering who works principally in the chemical industry to convert basic raw materials into a variety of products and deals with the design and operation of plants and equipment. An experienced chemical engineer with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 711.9 thousand rands per year, which is around 59.3 thousand rands per month. A late career chemical engineer with more than 20 years of experience makes about 988.7 thousand rands per year, which is around 82.4 thousand rands per month. At number 5, we have chartered accountant. Chartered accountants are professional accountants who are qualified to take on a number of specific activities within the spectrum of accountancy. Such tasks include auditing financial statements, filing of corporate tax returns, and financial advising. An experienced chartered accountant with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 760.5 thousand rands per year, which is around 63.4 thousand rands per month. A late career chartered accountant with more than 20 years of experience makes about 1 million rands per year, which is around 83.3 thousand rands per month. If you're finding this video informative so far, hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. If you've been a fan of the channel for a while, you'll realize that we have renamed the channel from The BA to Brilliant Academic. it just seemed more fitting. At number 4, we have Actuary. An actuary is a business professional who deals with the measurement and management of risk and uncertainty. The name of the corresponding field is actuarial science. Actuaries provide assessments of financial security systems with a focus on their complexity, their mathematics, and their mechanisms. A late career actuary with over 20 years of experience makes about 1,017.4 thousand rands per year, which is around 84.8 thousand rands per month. At number 3, we have dentist. A dentist is a healthcare professional who specializes in dentistry, that is, the diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of diseases and conditions of the oral cavity. An experienced dentist with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 732.8 thousand rands per year, which is around 61.1 thousand rands per month. A late career dentist with over 20 years of experience makes about 1,053.4 thousand rands per year, which is around 87.8 thousand rands per month. At number 2, we have medical doctor. A physician, medical practitioner, medical doctor, or simply doctor is a health professional who practices medicine, which is concerned with promoting, maintaining, or restoring health through the study, diagnosis, prognosis, and treatment of disease, injury, and other physical and mental impairments. An experienced doctor with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 935.3 thousand rands per year, which is around 77.9 thousand rands per month. A late career doctor with over 20 years of experience makes about 1,163.5 thousand rands per year, which is around 97,000 rands per month. Before we reveal number 1, as an homage to Watch Mojo, here are some honorable mentions. A biomedical engineer with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 626,000 rands per year, which is around 52.2 thousand rands per month. A data scientist with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 771.7 thousand rands per year, which is around 64.3 thousand rands per month. A petroleum engineer with 5 to 9 years of experience makes about 600.8 thousand rands per year, which is around 50.1 thousand rands per month. An investment banker with 5 to 9 years of experience makes about 700,000 rands per year, which is about 58.3 thousand rands per month. And a politician, for example, the Deputy President of South Africa, makes about 2.8 million rands per year, which is around 233.3 thousand rands per month. At number 1, we have mining engineer. Mining in the engineering discipline is the extraction of minerals from underneath, above, or on the ground. Mining engineering is associated with many other disciplines such as mineral processing, exploration, excavation, geology and metallurgy, geotechnical engineering, and surveying. A mining engineer may manage any phase of mining operations from exploration and discovery of the mineral or resources through feasibility study, mine design, development of plans, production and operation to mine closure. An experienced mining engineer with 10 to 19 years of experience makes about 1 million rands a year, which is around 83.3 thousand rands per month. A late career mining engineer with over 20 years of experience makes about 1,768.7 thousand rands per year, which is around 147.4 thousand rands per month. Click here to find out which are the top 10 companies to work for the year 2022, or click here to find out which are the biggest law firms in South Africa. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Do check out my other videos, and as always, Mischief Managed.